Hello everyone, happy holidays! Today we're going to make a smoked salmon dip. It's really tasty, easy to make, and it's great for a bagel spread or just to put out with some crackers and some crudité before your holiday festivities. So come on, let me show you how to make it. Here I have 4 ounces of smoked salmon, 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to use a half a cup of sour cream, about a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I have a scallion here that I'm going to chop up fine, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And that'll be the dip. But the first thing I'm going to do is put the smoked salmon into my food processor so I can mince it up fine. I have the 8 ounces of cream cheese in this mixing bowl, and I'm going to use a hand mixer to cream it a little bit, and then I'm going to start adding in the sour cream and the lemon juice and the other ingredients. Adding the salt and pepper. And now I'm going to fold in the minced smoked salmon. You want to blend this together really well. And you can refrigerate this until you're ready to use it. It'll last for 3 or 4 days in the refrigerator. And now I'm going to show you how I like to serve it up. Here we go. I like to save the dark green part of the scallion to sprinkle on the top. And there you have it. Your smoked salmon dip. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I hope you try this dip for yourself. Please let me know if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and I will see you very soon. Bye.